Hello everyone, let's continue our game Fruit Ninja Fruit. First of all, let's see what we've done on the last stream and what's left here to do. Okay, so we have bananas, they get cut, and then when they fall on this green thing, they give a score. And we created like this 8 shape blade, and we created a few more blades. And yeah, we just try to avoid all of this. And oops, that was my stream. And then when we also die, we fall on this and we give ourselves points. But right now, it's not really clear to me. Like, if I was playing this game and I didn't know what's going on, I would be confused about this green thing. Like what does it do? So, I mean, I would probably have to create a tutorial for this. Or maybe add like an icon here that this is like a fruit score. And something like that. Let's maybe add a few red ones. That's what I was thinking. Maybe if we like copy and we have this like be here, copy, and then this be here. And then if we say that these ones are like, I don't know, red zone, I will add some sort of like red glowing material. I mean, we'll also remove the script from this one. I mean, the collider. Because, well, we're just gonna let the fruits fall through. That's all it's gonna do. And we're just gonna remove the bucket thing layer. And we're gonna say, let's go to materials. Let's copy this one. Let's name it glowing material red. And we're gonna make it red. Like so. And we're gonna put it on this one and on this one. And perhaps we need to maybe remove, like put them like so and like so. Good. Let's see how this looks like. To me, it looks better. And also, if we add like an empty object called maybe collection, fruit collection, I don't know, collection zone. I mean, that's oh yeah, we'll call this one fruit collector, in fact. And then this one's gonna be fruit collection zone. Yeah. Sorry for my voice, because it's I woke up recently and still my voice haven't woken up. Let's put it here, and my plan is, oh yeah, first of all, I need to move this to be right in the center. Is it in the center? It is not. So we need to copy the position and we need to paste it right here. Then we want to, I think, make the scale equal to 1. I think that would make sense. And put it here. And now what this will allow us to do is to extend or compress this area. Another thing that I think we should do is to perhaps make this longer, because it doesn't matter like whether it goes like how wide it is, and the player won't see it. So we're just gonna make it like so. Then also we'll do the same thing here. And we're just gonna copy this zone. Let's say like this, and like so. Because now what this allows us to do, it looks like this, right? But if we want to change the fruit collector zone, we can just compress it, a lot. And we're not gonna go smaller than this, because that's hardcore. And then we can just extend it however we want, and in the game, it will look better. Although I'm not sure, is it in the center right now? It's on. Okay, now it's in the center. For some reason it wasn't. Okay. Cool. Okay, and now we can, yeah, just our player will be able to upgrade the zone and do stuff with it. Let's see, actually, the maximum here is 2. The scale, when the scale equals to 2, right? Yeah, then it's exactly the length of this. When it's 1, it is, I think it's exactly half. That would make sense. Then this would be 25%. And I'm not sure we want to go smaller than 25%, because otherwise, like, it's gonna be difficult to get any score. So yeah, let's say this. And perhaps yeah, how would our players understand what's happening? Well, let's maybe add some sort of fruit icon here. Yeah, I don't remember how it was in Fruit Ninja. Let's play some Fruit Ninja actually, because why not? Let's click Fruit Ninja. Oh no, I hope it's not gonna be too loud for you, and for me also. So I'm just gonna mute all the sound on my computer for now. Okay. All right. And also, for some reason, it's laggy on this like emulator. Okay, let's play the game. Let's see. Look, they have fruit here, and they have like the best score. We could do the same, but they just add 1, and they bounce the watermelon. If you see, like, they just like pop it a little bit, like, psh, oops. Yeah, I guess. Well, but how do we? Yeah, in here it's obvious when you cut. The more fruits you cut, the more you earn. But there, I mean, perhaps maybe we don't need the zones. We can just add points when other fruits get cut. You know? Maybe that would be a better idea, because that's how it is in Fruit Ninja. So it's gonna be more intuitive, in my opinion, like, for sure. Because if you have these zones, it doesn't make a lot of sense. Yeah, true. Okay, let me just lose here. And although I don't want to lose, maybe I can get like infinite score. And then I don't have to create my own game. Oh, okay. I don't know how I didn't die here. Okay, I'm bored. Cool. Oh, look, I got exactly the same score as last time. All right. Now let's I guess remove this thing. We'll just add +1 when we cut our fruits. That's what we're gonna do. Yeah. I think that would make a lot more sense than the zone thing. Okay, so chop in half. Where is it? Yeah. So we do this, turn off main fruit, blah blah blah. What we also want to do is we want to add score. And in order to do that, we can just say turn off main fruit. That's if we lose, right? If we get player movement. Okay, and else, because I don't think we want to get points when we cut our fruit. Although I don't know. Else, yeah, for now I'm gonna say that we don't want to get it. Add score, and we'll add like 1 for now, just to experiment. And then also we'll want to call like the +1 thing, because I think +1 text would be beneficial, because I think that's how they did it here. Let's play again. Oh my god, No, not this. What is this? I love these ads on mobile devices, but no. What? Okay, that was weird. Oh, they didn't have like +1 here. But here they do. And they do it like instead of a fruit, like not on top, but rather just, yeah. Can I pause the game? Oh yeah, I can. Okay. Shall we do the same? I think we should just add, whatever amount. God. I'm not sure, but okay, let's create a text first. Because right now I have no idea how I want it to look. Let's say, it should be like a 3D text, actually. It should be a 3D text. Where can I put it? Then it's game object 3D, this one, this text. Let's call it score addition text. Let's put it somewhere where we can see it, like in our player banana. It has a rect transform. Interesting. Now let's maybe make it smaller, maybe. Okay, I don't see it now. What is this? God. Then we want to have it in the center. Okay. And we probably want to... Oh, did I also copy the scale? I guess so. Oh yeah, that's better. Width will be like 2. Height 1. Font size, let's see, +1. Maybe a bit larger. Like this, I guess, like 25. Let's make it a bit wider here, like 5. And I don't know. Looks pretty bad, but I think it's because of the font mostly. But we'll change that later. And the color we'll just keep it white for now. Okay. Then it would make sense to make some sort of animation to it when we spawn it and then destroy it. Let's see. What kind of animation do we want? And also it has to be spawned from within when we add the score. But here, we have turn off main fruit, and here we add the score. So I guess, yeah, it doesn't make sense to have it here. Makes sense to have it in some other function. Like maybe, well, there are a few things that will happen. First, we'll add score, which I think we'll just do like here, because why not add score and whatever score we want for now, and then show number, no, show add score text. Yeah. The question is, maybe you want to spawn the text, or we just want to, yeah, want to spawn it. So spawn. What? Oh. Let's say instantiate, and we need a prefab for the text. Let's add it somewhere on top. Right, TMP text. Add score text. What? And now here we will instantiate it. Oh, what? Add score text dot. Well, it should be a game object, in fact. I guess we can just say this. Because we need to spawn it and then we have to change it. So we're gonna say, well, position, just transform dot position. And not rotation, just quaternion dot identity. That should be it. And after that, we need to get this let's say TMP text equals this dot get component TMP text. And then once we got it, we can say text equals plus and some number that we will say later, but for now we put +1. That's all we want. Okay, then let's create an animation for this one. Animator, or rather we're just gonna say animation create. We're gonna create it in animations here. Text animations. It's gonna be just float up. Although we're gonna be moving up, so I don't know if it makes sense. I think the effect I want to have is actually like when something get cut. Oh my god, get cut. Then we want to just put like maybe ink of +1 on the background, almost like it is here, but not exactly. You see how they have like this thing here, you know, like these like on the wall, these like splurs, I think. It's like splats, and I think it's better. Maybe we could do something like this with numbers. I think that would look pretty cool. So perhaps splat animation. I'm not sure how I'm gonna make it. Maybe start with something like with a small scale, and then just make it larger very fast. And then what? And I mean, that's it. And then fade away. So perhaps the color at first is well, no, it's here at the top, and then after 15 milliseconds it becomes 0, something like this. I mean, maybe it stays for a little longer. Yeah, something like that, yeah. Or maybe a bit longer, even. Yeah, I like this, in a way. I don't know. It's very simple, but it's good. It's good. I don't want anything complicated. And hopefully it's gonna play on awake, and it's not gonna repeat itself. Let's check whether that's true. Score text. Why do we have score addition text animator here? I thought I created a folder for it, no? I was pretty sure. Why not? Oh, what? Okay. That's weird, but okay. Maybe that was my bad. And now let's add the prefab for our text. Somewhere here. Now what we can do with this, we can get on... Wait, where's the chopped fruit chop script? I think it's on every banana, right? Yeah. Yes, indeed. So let's get these bananas. Let's add this text. Let's apply all. Did it get applied to this banana? It did. Let's remove this text from here. And let's check this out. Well, I wanted to see whether the text is looping, and I forgot. But works! So, that's nice. Maybe I can make it a bit smaller, but I don't know yet. I'm gonna keep it as it is, apart from the animation, of course, because I don't want it to loop all around. Where did I put the animation? Here. Yes, we don't want it to loop. We just want the text to go away, and then we want to destroy it. So perhaps in spawn add score text, we can... Also, I'm gonna create a new, well, yeah, public void destroy spawned text, and we're just gonna say destroy. Well, we need the reference. Then maybe we need to actually okay, text reference, or rather spawned text, spawned add score text. I'm gonna create a private variable for it somewhere here. Or void. Like so, with a underscore. Like this, and then we can just say destroy all of this game object, like this. Yeah, looks pretty good to me. And now what I want to do, because I don't know how long my animation will be, maybe I'll want them to vary actually, so I will just get into the animation. I'm gonna create an animation event, and we're gonna get to on the text. So I need to actually get the prefab. I will get on the animation, and we will select for the event function to be, and now I have to find it. Okay, destroy. No. Oh no, it's gonna take a while actually. Wait, how did I call it? Destroy spawn text. I can't scroll unfortunately with my mouse wheel. I don't need all of these functions, you know? I never asked for it. Could be anywhere. If it's right on the bottom, I'll be very angry. And it's so easy to miss it also. Like, it's insane. Is destroyed? No, hopefully it was on the top and I just didn't notice. My goodness. Let me call it something else maybe. Just for a little bit. Just something like something very noticeable. Like like this, because I just want to make sure that it's there. Because Jesus. There's no way I'm gonna miss it, right? Oh my god. Can it really not be here? But it's impossible because, well, if you select this text... Oh, never mind, it is possible. Because it's not on the actual... Oh my god, I'm dumb. Okay, that's pretty sad. Because this, like, animation event... Yeah, I thought that my fruit chop script is on the text for some reason. But obviously it's not, so... So I just wasted a little bit of my time. Great. Where did I put it? Ah. Okay. Do they have still destroy event here though? Disable masking. On destroy. Nah, okay. So after all, I'm just gonna have to destroy it after 1 second because... Okay, I'm gonna use my function then. I'll... Yeah, because I don't want to delete it. And we're gonna say some value. Yeah, just 1. Just 1 second. So it means that after 1 second, we're gonna destroy spawned add score text game object. Okay, let's try. Cool. Yeah, I like that. It looks very cool actually. Even though with this font it looks, you know, kind of ugly, but it works. That's very, very motivating. Okay, next thing is let's actually spawning the fruits maybe from sides of the walls, like creating some sort of like cannons that launch the fruits so they fly around, not just in a straight line, but like they wiggle around. But for now I just want to spawn them. That's all I want to do. And obviously the longer we go, the more we spawn, the more we get in on our score. Okay. So how would I make this spawning system? We need some sort of cannon. So let's go to asset store. And let's see. Oops. And here we're gonna find... I don't know. How's it called? Oh, cannon. But we want something low poly. And something free, obviously. Could be good cannon maybe. Battle cannon. Looks too shiny. This one. I don't think we can separate the... Oh my god, this looks a bit too dark. For sure. Oh, this one looks like a cool cannon. Because you can fit a watermelon there. And also, how do I imagine attaching a cannon here? I could either spawn fruits from thin air. I could just make the fruits faster and spawn like below our camera. Like just have a certain spawn point under my camera and just like move them up. Or just give them a vector. like in a certain direction, so they spawn. Let's say here, let me create a cube for you to demonstrate how I see it. So let's say we spawn this right here under my camera, and then we add force with our script for it to go like this way. It goes like this, then it should bounce. So maybe we can add like some sort of bounce to these objects so they like bounce around a little bit. I think that would be cool. Like some of them are gonna fly like this, some of them are just gonna fly up, or like something like this, you know, along a certain angle. We're gonna spawn these objects on a random position here, and we're gonna give them a random vector to fly like you know, and they're gonna be faster than us, so that, you know, because if they're slower, well, they're not gonna catch up to us. Although if they're too fast, then level is not gonna be able to spawn fast enough, and then yeah. But I mean, we want to see when they spawn, and I guess when they leave our screen, we can just destroy them. That's what I'm thinking to do. Just destroy them if we can't see them anymore. Because we'll never see them again. Because there's no way they're gonna slow down. So that's my idea, at least. And I think it's better than cannons. I mean, we could put cannons like somewhere here, but nah. It just doesn't make sense. We're gonna make it like in Fruit Ninja, but without the falling part. And the only falling part will happen only when we cut these fruits. That's all. Yeah, okay, I like this idea. So maybe I'll implement it on the next stream, because right now I'm a bit lazy. So yeah, now when we have the idea and we know what to do, spawning from below, maybe we'll add some more blades, because right now it's pretty easy to avoid the blades, especially the circular one. You just, you know, stay against the wall and you'll be fine. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you probably today.